Ah! Ow. You'd have to wax all of this back into time. What the frick is this? I'm feeling like really hot. What did I get myself into? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be another one of my try-on videos featuring some Halloween costumes from Fashion Nova. I don't know how many different ways I need to tell you guys. I have a potato body, if you know what that means. Hey girl, hashtag potato body. I'm gonna start a movement, okay guys? It's a thing. I didn't know there was that many potatoes rolling around out there until I had said that and y'all came out the woodwork. So I'm starting to feel like way more comfortable online, knowing that there are so many other people who are struggling with weight loss, who's struggling with their fitness goals, who are struggling to look fly in the damn streets, and I got your back. Like I was telling Jude earlier, when you play your mama, you play yourself. Okay, so don't do it. I'm okay with my body. I don't need anybody's judgment. I don't need anybody's opinion about it. I was checking out their website and I was like, hold up. Some of the costumes on Fashion Nova's website are like this much material for like $75. Girl, you're gonna catch a cold and a case. I'm gonna try it on so you guys don't have to try it on. Maybe you might even find your Halloween costume in this video. Who knows? I mean, I gotta show this body to somebody, okay? And before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and let's get started. Woo! Ah. So I got a few costumes to try on because I'm spending my own money purchasing them, and actually they were a lot more expensive than I was really anticipating before I even got onto the website. All of the costumes are size large/extra large, so that kind of has me worried that they're either gonna be too small or too big. So we're gonna figure that out right now. So this costume is called Where's My Brain At? The heck? How freaking cute is this? What the flip is? Oh, these are for your arms. So cute. I like how they incorporated the fishnets into like the stuffing or the straw look of the Scarecrow. They've also included this cute little ass hat. Little tiny weenie hat. Good idea. This is a freaking whole costume? My boobs are gonna fly out of this thing. Look how freaking small the top is. Oh my word. This is like a really low plunging situation. My son would kill me. This is like the back part. Your chonies? Really? I'm kind of nervous to try this on now. Okay, guess we're doing it. On the website, this looked like a bra. This looks like just like a swimsuit. As I showed you guys before, like this part right here is just a tank top. It's not even your actual bra. My bra line is like right here. Now, as far as the length, you'd have to wax all of this back into time. Up there. Next up is the Call Her Incredible 3-piece costume suit. The gloves, which is gonna be super sexy. We have a mask. This mask looks small as hell. I have the biggest head in all of America. I was not expecting this suit to be freaking see-through. On the website, it looked like a nylon material, and I am part gorilla, so honestly, I was worried I was gonna snag a big hole with like a toenail or something, like trying to get into this, because this is a one-piece suit. What the frick is this? I can't with these big chonies. What is this? I kind of wish that this part, like the stocking part, was all like one bodysuit, and then you put the chonies like over top. You know what I mean? Okay, I need to calm down. It looks like Andre the Giant. Girl! Watch, it's gonna fit perfectly because I was talking shit. What did I get myself into? I'm getting sweaty just looking at it. Ew, this is hot town though. I'm feeling like really hot. Okay, there we go. Whew, okay, Elastigirl, get it. Can you guys tell I'm slimming it down though? Okay. I just feel like it's so snug that I would have anxiety like the entire night that I'm gonna split this. I might say no to carbs and wear this one. I kind of like it. I sweat like a maniac, so I'm kind of like worried about sweat marks. I'm worried about sweat marks here. Okay, next up is going to be the Money Moves 4-piece costume set, and this is Cardi B. Okay, I'm doing this for my sister Christina because she knows like every word to all of Cardi B's songs, and I was shocked because I didn't know that about her. Okay. What is this? Now this is gonna be tricky because it doesn't fit. If you are over 30 inches in the waist, girl, I feel like we're gonna have to size up. Damn it, now I don't even wanna put it on. I feel like a big balloon. That was one piece, the small ass little belt. Then we have another pair of Andre the Giant chonies. Then we have a bralette. Lord have mercy. I would be lucky if this covered my nipples. And I guess over top of that, we put this jacket and it's got these really cute sleeves. I'm not really impressed with the quality of this jacket, but it's a Halloween costume for crying out loud, so chill out. Let's do this. So I've got this really super cute wig on from Amazon. I've got my glasses on deck, but as far as this costume goes, this costume does not fit me. It's supposed to I think it's supposed to close. This is the donk and this is the kook, okay? So right here in the kook area, it's cut really, really high. I mean, it can go all the way up. I just wouldn't feel comfortable in this outfit because I literally feel like a stripper. No offense. Get your money, girl. I don't feel like Cardi B at all. I don't think that I would walk into a costume party and they would know exactly who I am. My neighbors are literally doing it right now and I'm like trying to film. Like, really? After this video, I'm gonna be blasting mariachi music, so it's all good. I just FaceTimed Carly and B and they loved this costume. I'm like, you guys would, I'm naked. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun dressing up for you guys. I hope this video inspires you to embrace your body and just know that you don't have to be this small to be sexy, okay? Let me know what you guys thought of this try on in the comment section down below and share what you are gonna be for Halloween this year. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!